Good morning, student, and welcome in reasoning class. Chapter 4 we have already done. Now, today we are going to start chapter 5, that is embedded figures. So, first we have to know that what is embedded figure. Embedded figures is an important topic of logical reasoning, in which it is an important topic of your reasoning, in which a student is given a geometrical figure. You have given a geometrical figure and is asked to identify a or part of it from the given option. Means you have given a geometrical figure and there are four options given to you, and you have to identify the parts which are matching to the geometrical figure. Means आपको एक geometrical figure given होगी और उसमें से आपको फोर ऑप्शन दिए होंगे, वो फोर ऑप्शन उस ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर से मैच करता होगा कोई एक ऑप्शन, दैट इज़ एम्बेडेड फिगर्स। मीन्स वो पोर्शन वो फिगर उस एम्बेडेड फिगर से जो ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर है उससे मैच कर रहा होगा। और इन अनदर वे an embedded figure or a part figure, embedded figure means a part of the figure is given and the student has to find out the option in which this embedded figure would fit in. Sometime you have embedded figure is given, means a part of the figure is given, and from that given option you have to find that which figure is fitted the given geometrical figure. Identify, you have to that. Okay, now let's start. When you are doing the question you can understand it very easily. Now identify the embedded figure. Example 1, this geometrical figure is given to you in this rectangle. Now you have to find out that which part is taken from this figure. If we match this, now this line and this type of no part is shown in this figure. A is not the option. Now we will see B part. B part look like this part is shown, this and this. ये पार्ट जो है इस फिगर से मैच कर रहा है, बी पार्ट। बी इट मीन्स बी पार्ट इज़ एन एम्बेडेड फिगर। ये पार्ट इसके साथ मैच कर रहा है। देखो, लाइन गोज अपवर्ड देन डाउनवर्ड एंड देन अगेन स्लांटिंग लाइन। सी पार्ट इज़ नॉट मैच्ड and D part is not matched. So your answer is B1. The correct option is B. Answer is also written in the example clearly. B is the figure which can be seen in the given figure. B figure is matching with this figure. ये portion हमको इस figure में clearly दिख रहा है. Now let's see the example number 2. Now one rectangle is given to you and these boxes are. You have to identify the picture which is similar to that embedded figure. Now the first we try A part. This figure look like this. This line goes, then this, and this. It means A is matching, like A is embedded figure of this. If we are seeing B part, no, this is not look like that. And if we are trying to C part, this is also not matching and D part is also not matching. So figure A is the present in the given figure, means our answer is A part. Now let's try our exercise. Question number 1 to 14. Choose the figure embedded in the given figure. Now you have to choose which is the embedded figure in here. Here you have given triangle and you have to find which figure is similar to this figure. So first one is rectangle. This is not look like fit in this figure. If we are trying to B part, like this way, if we have seen like this way, B part is satisfied like this way, C not satisfied, and D is also not matching to this. So our embedded figure is B part. Now if we see the second question, see this, if we match this H, this look like this is the embedded figure. K is not matching, P is not matching, M is not matching. So our answer is A part. Now let's try for the next question, 4 part. See all the options. This one, this is also not matching like this way. C part, D part, and clearly this A part is matching like this way. See this. Similarly, we are find this figure. So our correct option is A. Embedded figure is A. Now let's do more question. Let's try question number 6. Now again one geometrical figure is given to you. You have to identify which part is matching to this embedded figure. Now if we are seeing this A part, it is not matching because straight नहीं है हमारा. B part like this way, then like it goes like this way, it is also not possible. C part, it is a triangle, portion of the triangle. If we look like this way, this is a portion of the triangle. So I think C part is our right answer. If we look at the D part, in D part it is also not matching. So our right option is C part. Now let's do question number 7. You have given one circle and this option, a triangle inside the circle. So look like this way, this side, this is clearly matching to this figure. I think A is the right option. Let's see the other part also. B part, this is not like this way. C part, this is also not matching this, and D is also. So our right option is A part. So you have to check all the figures, all the given option that you have given. आपने सारी ऑप्शंस को चेक करना है कि कौन सी इस फिगर के साथ मैच कर रही है, एम्बेडेड है, कौन सी इसका एक पार्ट है. Then that part is your answer. Few question I have explained. You have to complete up to question number 10. Today your homework is you have to complete up to question number 10. Okay student, bye bye.